sun comes up. I know you have family in that area. That's when the true assessment of what Milton left behind is going to take place.
And then you get press conferences every hour in the hours. So as the day goes on, we're going to gather a lot of information about what really went down the last 24 hours, especially with the landfall that was so late at night. The speed of it really sped up, so that bumped that up to about that 8:30 time. But a long night for everyone in Florida. Your family, friends, everyone good, able to check in.
Such a relief that they checked in safe. My dad said they're going to wake up, and basically everybody's going to wake up, and then they're going to go outside and they're going to see what happened in their neighborhood. At this point, people, it's good to hear so many are safe, but it's the damage that we don't know about.
Yeah, damage, that stuff can be repaired and whatnot, so we're thankful that they're safe. We'll continue to bring you more updates. So we're still dealing with a hurricane, which is crazy that we are at this point of the morning, and we still have winds that are powerful upwards of 85 miles per hour. That puts you at a Category 1 storm. I do think by the next advisory, though, we'll lose that hurricane status. But the rain, it was significant. You can see that swath right along its path where we dumped over a foot of rain. Farther north, not as generous, but a lot of rain fell across that midsection of Florida through Hurricane Milton in the overnight hours. And it's still raining in that area. That's going to be in that east central part as it moves out into the Atlantic. So winds right now, 85 miles per hour. It's a Category 1 storm, 10 miles northeast of Cape Canaveral right now. Here's a look at that circulation. That's going to continue moving off toward the east. So the biggest impacts through this point of the morning is going to be the heavy rain and also those gusty, strong winds, which we're experiencing at this hour. Wanted to show you at least that landfall that happened in the 8:30 hour yesterday as a Category 3 storm, weakened down to a 2. It's still a 1 hurricane, and it'll move out to the Atlantic and then be out of here. So then we are now in that recovery effort across Florida. Here at home, I mean, this is a tough pivot. I mean, we've been really spoiled with some nice weather. It's calm, cool this morning, 40s and 50s, mid-50s, O'Hare and Midway, Waukegan, 55, down to 47, Aurora. Not as chilly this morning, but it's still feeling very nice. This afternoon, a high of 72 degrees, a sunny, warm day. We keep with the clear skies tonight, which is good news. If you're going to be up between 10 and 2 o'clock in the morning, you do have an opportunity to see the northern lights, that viewing line right through the midsection of Illinois. So we've got a good opportunity tonight and again tomorrow night. We'll keep with those clear skies, lows by morning in the 50s, and then a windy warm up tomorrow. We're going up into the 80s. 83 degrees, it's short-lived. We're cooling things down, and we're cooling down fast. 60s for the weekend, next week in the 50s, and frost is looking likely Monday night and again Tuesday night. 5:16, travel time's looking good this morning. Back to you.
All right, Laura, thank you so much.